many pedals. So what was my last commit? Saying that able to pop a window out at least in Windows. Yes. Okay. So git checkout, remove everything fully. I don't know what's wrong with my telescope right now. It's bloody slow. Wait. Why is it finding too much trouble to find files right now? Not sure, but I'll do it once I'm out of my jag. Okay, from here, everything that I'm doing right now is not a concern. Okay, this is main running on its own. And is there a way that I can log print? Event loop dot. Will this cause an error that I should worry about? Yeah, it does cause an error. Nice. Expression found. Oh, sorry, my bad. Come on, the LSP is slow. What do you expect me to print? Just give me a minute. Windows created. Will it do now? Should probably help right now. But the LSP was not up till now. Check health LSP. Trust analyzer. Vim LSP for file watcher. Position encoding. You're supposed to be fast. You're bloody slow. Nice. That's what I expect from Windows. If you outperform my expectations at least once, I would be proud to own you. But the sheer use case of Windows for me is editing my videos, which I don't do pretty well. I swear to God, this thing shouts a lot. Should I buy a stand for it or something? I don't know. Like I do, constraint sessions because of that reason. Okay. Okay. Hopefully this doesn't throw some errors that I'm not expecting. But yeah, let's try to run this thing. Cargo build. Cargo run. Did you panic? No, I don't think it panicked. And let's see what's inside the event loop. What's inside event loop.new? What's inside event loop.new? I just want to in a Rust crate. Let's see. Okay, struct event loop. Private field pub struct. Okay, provides a way to retrieve events from the system and from the windows that were registered to the event loop. An event loop can see more or less as a context calling event loop.new, initializing everything that will be required to create a window. For example, on Linux computers, creating a window opens a connection to the X and alien server. Okay. To wake up an event loop from another thread, see the okay. Note that this cannot be shared across threads. As such, it is neither send nor sync. If you need cross-thread access, the window created from this can be sent to another thread. The event loop proxy allows you to wake up an event loop from another thread. Okay. So what will this return? It will return me a context. Okay. Hopefully, hopefully, hopefully I'm going right. So, and I'm creating a new function which is taking in well. Okay. And yeah, it returns nothing, void. Mm, function. What all do I need? Wait. Uh, Print next aspect of things, and I'm saying print gg error expected an item, expected one of the items. Why did you expect? Yes, sorry, fn. My bad. Seriously, my bad. Okay. Mm, and hopefully this will take in event loop. Mm, yeah, event loop as type ampersand. Sorry, reference to event loop of na. Okay, and nice. I'm trying to make this connection happen for some reason. Did they overcomplicate it, or I'm trying to oversimplify this thing? Not sure, but let's see. So I'm pushing an event loop. So I'll just say instance a Python event loop. Event loop reference to event loop. Okay. And now try to print. Okay. And yeah, question mark event loop. And what is he trying to do with the event loop? Well, there are too many things that he's trying to do with an event loop. God forbid this function. How long can you be? Okay. Fuck with the solid principles now. Don't you think so? One function, one responsibility. This responsibility to be seems to be too much heavy. Mm-hmm. 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 Let's look. Baby. So wait. Uh yep. Nope. Let's try to print event loop. Don't need to do something fancy. Just to cargo and it should probably build it. Event loop, yes. Builds properly. So what is the next thing that this guy is trying to make? Implement app, and inside app the default will be if I new, and the solo responsibility that of that function. Like, where is this thing ending? Too many things to do. 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 What is this tracking down to? Bloody hell. Where am I tracking this thing down to? Nowhere. Okay. Okay, for unreasonable purposes, unreasonable demands, I try to implement. So wait, can I just say, instead of this, I can just say I am PL, implement the app. Okay. Structure of app is even weird. Creating a structure, structuring render context is also a structure. I'm saying event arc instance device arc device. What is arc? Never been through that. Uh, mm, okay. Struct arc, a thread safe reference counting pointer. Arc stands for atomically reference counted. Type arc provides shared ownership of the value of the type T allocates into the heap, invokes clone and on arc, produce a new arc instance which point to the same allocation on the heap as the source arc while increasing a reference count. When the last arc point to a given allocation is destroyed, the value stored in the allocation, often referred to as an inner value, is also dropped. Shared references in Rust disallow mutation by default, and arc is no exception. When you cannot generally obtain a mutable reference to something inside the arc, you need to mute it through the arc. Use mutex, rawlock, and or one of the atomic types. This type is only available on platforms that have support atomic loads and stored on pointers, which includes all platforms that supports the standard create, but not all those which only support alloc. This may be detected at compile time using thread safety. Okay, clone reference. Okay, I am using sync arc let foo equals arc dot new vector, which is like 1.9. Let foo dot clone a b equals arc dot clone foo. The two syntaxes below are equivalent, and a and b and foo all arcs that point to the same memory location. Ow. So basically, I'm not creating different memory places. I'm creating a same. I'm keeping the memory or the value there and pointing it to one single place. Arc doesn't overuse its resources, so oh, nice, 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 nice. So yes, yeah, okay. Arc of an instance, arc of device, arc of queue, command buffer allocator. So I'm keeping them in one place and trying to reference them everywhere. I don't know. It sounds completely illogical when I say it, but I think I got the grasp of it. At least mostly, most of it. And where am I writing this instance? Ooh, I did not. Mm, sorry. 16 places. Okay, wait. So if I do this here, app instance of type arc instance Will this not cause an error? Can't find the scope archetype. Yeah, you can't find because I did not use std error. Okay, error sync. Arc should not be a problem right now. Cannot find the instance in the scope. I know. Where the fuck is instance from? Oh, volcano source instance. Why am I calling it somewhere? Let instance equals to instance new library. Okay, okay, baby, come on. Okay, not fair, mate. Not fair. Okay, I'm calling instance here. Okay. Let's use. No, do I have it or not? I don't know why my fuzzy finder is so slow today. Okay, I need Vulkan. No, Volcano. Okay. Introduction. Volcano. No. When was this article written? I mean, let's use the older dependency now. Can just do build here to get the LSP and build here. Hopefully that will get me some decent response. I want to see task manager right now. How bad are you crying? Ooh, fuck. Oh, I did log the thing out. I did. I'm a pretty bad boss. I'm sorry. I'm really bad. I am. I can't help it. I really have a hairy back. You know that. Razer app engine is running and it is costing me resource power. What the hell are you doing, mate? What is it? Okay, could not complete previous error. Cannot find type instance in this scope. Oh yeah. My bad. My bad. I could not call. No, I could not main.rs. Are you pissed on me, mate? Sorry. I'm just trying to pull something. You know, my laptop is so pissed at me. My laptop and me are having a bad relationship from, for a solid time right now. I hope I'm not pissing it off bad. I mean, I can just, I could have just done this. I could have just done this. My bad. Use, you know, come on, it's not supposed to be new for you. Okay, bitch. I said what I said. I like to be famous instead. Ooh. She's trouble. Wanna come on, spell mate. My OCD will get better of me. Night. Night Volcano came to the rescue right now. I need what? I need instance. I need instance. What is the hierarchy for it? Ah, okay. I open up Vulkan. Nothing much. Nothing much. High tech. Yep. Okay. And we sweet timber. Okay. I get instant create plug, instant create repo. Okay. I get all the three here. I'll use it. Don't worry. Porque Maria, don't worry. Maria, you worry too much. You know that. Sweet, 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 sweet. So I am able to pull in any device and queue. Hopefully, I have device and I have queue somewhere. What else do I need? Sub buffer my vertex option render control as a render context. I need this, and after that, I implement app piece by piece, piece by piece, made piece by piece. App instance device queue command of a vertex cities. What is the purpose of me creating this entire thing? What is the end goal of this thing? Not sure. First step of a Vulkan program is to create an instances. We can create an instance. We have to pass the list of extensions that we want to enable. All the window drawing functionalities are part of non-core extension that we need to enable manually. To do so, we ask Surface for the list of extension required to draw to a window. Okay. Now creating an instance. Before creating an instance, I need the entire app structure be created. Okay. After the structure, now it's quiet. I gotta help my PC a bit, man. I'll help you. I'll help you. I mean, I'm the one who's fucking you up, but yeah, I'll try to help you. I'll be a decent boss. I'll be a good boss. I'll try not to be an nincompoop to you. You know, I'm such a bad guy. Someday you'll understand we were good because the last bitch I owned, she was pretty happy with me. Okay, let's see where did the device come from. The device came from Vulkan. Source the device through Arya. Okay, what does instance do? Instance. So inside device, I'll just try to import only the things that I'm using right now, so I'll have some more clarity on it. Device, inside device I need what? Device. Okay, so wait, I'll try to see device, and device is of type access resource, sorry, what is that? Atomic resource controller. Okay, too fancy for me. Yeah, I know. Bingo. Let's just try to import this thing. Where are you, ma? Device. Okay. What am I trying to import next? Q. And yeah, I don't think I should. Device is part of. No, device is not part of anything. Device can be directly pulled. And I need Q2. Okay. Let's pull in Q. 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 Okay. I need Q2. Command buffer. Command buffer allocator of type ARC and standard command buffer allocator. Very standard buffer command allocator. That is in command buffer allocator inside Vulkan. So command buffer, I need allocator. Inside that I need a standard command buffer allocator. Okay. And I need to send standard command buffer allocator vertex buffer. I feel that I'll find the same thing there. Where? Mere. Turns out I'm wrong. Vertex buffer, VRTXB of here. Where are your vertex? Vertex buffer. Buffer. I need vertex buffer which will take in my vertex. Sub buffer. Where are you? Sub buffer. Sub pass buffer. Standard buffer. Sub pass buffer. Sub buffer. It's in buffer. Mera mein. Let's try to pull in this buffer. I need sub buffer. And my vertex, I don't know where this thing is from. Maria, did I implement this thing? Struct my vertex. Okay, not a bad thing to deal with, but do I need everything? I guess sub buffer would not cause me a problem. If I start my implementation here, I don't want to include every single thing. So let's just go ahead and try to, implement app. And if we give fn new and yeah, event loop of type event loop. Okay, and I'm not even kidding. Print ln event loop. Sweet Jesus, let's try to trigger that thing using this. So hopefully after I do this, I just need to let note app equals to app new reference to event loop. Sweet. Oh, okay. I don't need a return type as of now because I'm not returning anything. So this should not string invalid. Oh, awesome. Okay, this should trigger properly. Hopefully. Wow. Let's try to, break this function. Then I mean, I'm really bad at setting goals, so it's not causing any problem. I shouldn't see a reason to run it, but you know what? Like, let's just run it anyway. I feel skeptical every now and then. I need two event loops running there. Fuck. Nice. Wow. The burps. Hmm. Let's see. What am I supposed to do now? Yeah, I should use library vulkan library.new.unwrap, and the way we go, I don't think we are doing good. But I can still draw a window, so that's a positive for me. So let lib library. What did I pull? Okay, I need to pull in library before doing that, so it'll not screw up my, you know, awesome. Wow, too many stuff going on, too many warnings going on. Russ, come on. Fields in this structure are not used. I know I'll use it some other times. Ignore warnings. I don't know. I don't know. If it's not an error, don't show it to me. Should I do that? Should I do that? Should I do that? I mean, yeah, warning. Yeah, if I don't get distracted, let the warnings be there. Let the warnings be there. Let's just say, what am I trying to pull? Okay. Vulkan library. Vulkan library. Okay. Okay. So let library equals to Vulkan library dot new dot unwrap. Unwrap works for this. And what does this thing do? The first step of any Vulkan program is to create an instance. We create an instance. We have to pass the list of extensions that we enable and all the windows. Dysfunctional. Shit. I know. I know. I need surface. Where is surface here? Do I hit surface anywhere? Oh, too many things to do. Quite frankly, too many things to do. But if I get all the dependencies right, I suppose I should be able to print a triangle anywhere around the corner. But I'm not sure how long it will take for me to bloody print a triangle. Okay, so surface might have to import it, but not the major concern as of now. But if I'm unwrapping library, what is it returning? A Vulkan library. Okay, purple structure Vulkan. It implements new results is arc self and loading errors. I know. Okay. Statically linked Vulkan loader. When did I enable this thing? Am I being too lenient on people right now? Not sure. Blood rush to my brain. Okay. Unwrap. Let required required extents equals to surface surface. It's an LSP structure. Yeah, I guess I pulled it in. Required extensions event loop dot unwrap. Should that cause an error? Not sure. Okay. Uh, okay. I need to unwrap it. So fuck. So let the instance equals to instance dot new dot instance create info flag unwrap. Now creating the instance. Now let's try to create the instance using this. Let in instance equals to new, and it will include library and instance creation info. Ooh, fancy. So what will the flag be? Flag be of type instance creation flag portability. Okay, and enable extensions application name is should be of type string. Biatch. Application version not interested image. Engine name, engine version, max API versions. Enable extensions is where I should stop. Okay, enable extensions, required extensions, debug utilities, no, default. Default, default, default is default. And I'm closing this thing. I like the way this thing is formatting Rust for me. I know. So instance creation, I ended it on a good note here. I can hit some more things, but yeah, default is default and unwrap. Excuse me. Wow, did I? Yep, baby, that hurts. That seriously hurts, baby. Okay, so hopefully, mm, flag creation pub. So wait, mismatch type. Can't find the value required extensions. Why can't you find required extensions now? Uh, okay. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Required extensions. In this what? In this scope? Is it a scope problem now? I don't think scope should count that much. Okay. Mm, why can't required extensions be of some instance extensions unimplemented? AppKit, Windows, Wayland, XCV, Xlib. Hmm. Did I hurt my laptop's feelings again? Sure seems to be so. But still, the screen looks really good. What is wrong with my stream now? Guys, can you hear my audio properly or like is it lagging for a bit? Yeah, I'm really not sure. Okay, let's see, mate. Let's see. Piach. No method named under app found. I don't think this should cost that much. Mismatch type enum operating. I'll remove this. I'll try to build it. Build should not be that complicated. ربي هالكيتي يا man هيرك كده. Can you hear me? Yeah, I find it really funny though. Like, did any of your guys ever like try to understand Vulkan? I hope not. Like, you guys are not foolish like me. Hopefully so. Hopefully so. For every good valid reason, I don't hope people to you know see the shit that I built. Really don't want to get people into this mess. But yeah, if you're watching it and use YouTube, then you're fucked up, mate. And if you're watching till now, you guys are okay. Yeah. Let me cargo run this thing once. I want to see the instance being done properly. The instance is okay. Oh my bad. Wrong binary. Wrong binary. Wrong binary. Wrong binary. Okay. Build the sun. Oh yes, run. Event loop. Event loop working fine. Okay. Awesome, baby. Okay. We'll get there. We'll open up the stage for audience. We'll chat. If if you want to that too. Okay. Nah. So yeah, we'll get our proper time and opportunity to chat. But what am I doing with the instance right now? Like, what am I supposed to do with the instance? Device extensions, char swap chain true, device extensions empty. Okay, enable enumerating devices that use non conformantal vulkan implement. What what the fuck is this done? Conformant, non-conformant. Okay, not sure any of this shit does, but like, oh, I hope this is like setting up the instance to load in all my defaults. Hopefully, I mean, if I can get to a point where I'll render a bloody damn window here, that's my happy place right now. At least I want to see something on the screen for right now. Hey. I hope you guys are feeling my discomfort, or else I'll be bloody mad at you. Okay. Sweet Jesus. Sweet Jesus. Cleopatra. I kind of saw the thing more in I hate you, stream. I hate you. I hate you, my network manager. I gotta pay pretty hefty price for getting a cheap connection. I don't mean low-ended connection. I mean I opted for a cheaper connection, so the service is shit if I'm not wrong. Like, the only way I can survive this thing is like get an Ethernet cable from there till here, which I wouldn't preferably. I don't have a good method to pull. I guess I can use my other window to pull Ethernet cable from that end of the room to here. But will I get a Ethernet cable lengthy enough to do that? Oh. Long ETH ARNE Ethernet cable. How long can it be? My stomach feels so goddamn hungry. Oh, seems like I can. For long distance, 100 meter or more. I mean, if I calculate from that room to this, I mean, roughly like 50 meters. 50 meters is something that I'm trying to find. Will that improve my connection? I'm not sure. I mean, I used to stream before too. Like, I never had a frame drop. But after I fucked up my charger, I'm seeing all this weird nonsense. Is it because of my charger? I just bought a new one, and 97% it is. Like, it's been 97% constant throughout the stream. I don't see a drop in the battery in any way. So the charger is doing its job fine. It's my network that is fucking up. Man can have a short break. Yeah. What do you think? Don't jinx it, motherfucker. Don't jinx it. Okay, this pink shit, where am I using it? Wow. Sorry. Like, so creating an instance. Okay, I created an instance. Nice. Oh, sorry, my bad. Okay, where am I using the instance? We'll let physical device q family index is equals to index dot enumerate physical devices unwrap filter p. Some devices may support the extension or feature that your application or report properties and limits that are not sufficient for your application. These should be filtered out here. Filter dot map. Oh, the amount of effort to set a pipeline up. Huge. Bloody hell, it's huge. device extension is not something okay that we are going to use in order to present image to a surface. We need a swap chain which is provided by okay. What is swap chain? Now swap chain as WAP swap chain. Uh, hope to God, hope to God, he'll give me a small explanation for this. Does not have concept of default frame buffer, hence it requires an infrastructure that will own the buffer we will render to before before the visualization. In this instructions is known as swap chain. Okay, this is all I should know. And must be created explicitly in Vulkan. The swap chain is essentially a queue of images that are waiting to be presented to the screen. Our application will acquire such as images to draw to it. Okay, then return it into the queue. How exactly the queue works and the conditions for presenting an image from the queue depends on how the swap chain is set up. But the general purpose of the swap chain is to synchronize the presentation of images within the refresh rate of the screen. Ooh, I feel so damn intelligent just by reading this. I don't know if I'm that smart, but yeah, this this seems interesting. Seems good. Seems nice. Best viewer on the stream.com removed the space. Not sure what that comment meant, but yeah, too damn pleased right now. And my frame dropped, so hopefully you're sticking around. Welcome, welcome, welcome. But yeah, my stream is a shit show, so hopefully. Come on. I just got a viewer after a long time and I'm trying to chat with folks and skirt zero, skirt zero. What is this supposed to mean? A stream viewers on streamboo.com. Best viewers on streamboo.com? Come on, what are you trying to explain? Like, put a proper message, mate. Buy Twitch followers. Oh, am I supposed to buy you guys? First, once we receive the payment, we'll start working on your order. Track your order on order page. No drop service. We guarantee followers brought from us are non-drop. If they do drop, we will refill them within a month. 24/7 chat support, secured payment gateway. Yeah, I love the service, but I'm lazy. The only thing I could say, buy 200 followers. How much will it cost? 100 followers in $70. Nice. Kick service. Kick followers. How to order kick followers with stream, bro? Can I get YouTube too? I mean, I can do this, but what's the use? I'm anyway lazy to stream every now and then. and I'm not bloody serious about this thing. I just have fun with people, and yeah, this is not something I would enjoy, dude. Sorry. I love to write code, and doing it online makes it feel like I'm doing it with people. And there's no particular reason for me to, carry this forward if I don't feel interested. And for someone, it might be a valuable thing to start out for. For me, it's nothing. Sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. Like, that might be valuable to few people. Like, I don't know, like, for people who are really serious about this thing, I hope to God, I still wouldn't recommend to buy followers. Like, followers, you don't, you buy people basically. Like, if I say, you can't buy people with money, that's wrong. That's really wrong. Like, my government works in that way. Entire government system works in that way. You buy people with money. You buy people with, you know, things that money can buy. So, still, but these are not something which you have to buy. I can, but I shouldn't. Because what's the use of followers who doesn't respect you? I like my followers well cooked. You know, well cooked followers. But still, the stream looks juicy. Yeah, it drops every now and then. I would rather go, like less quality or like, little bit pixelated than to, drop the entire stream. But sure. Let's get back on the bandwagon. Yeah. So I created the instance. Snapchain to provided by KHR swap chain. KHR swap chain. I guess it will be imported now. Find do later device extension. But do I look that pathetic that some guy thought I should buy followers? Device extension. Do I have it? Yeah, I guess I have it. Okay, I do have it. KHR swap chain. That requires all of the extensions. Create instance. Okay, true. And device extensions empty. Rats are fucking annoying for your information. Okay. EMPTY. Yeah, sweet. I know. You care more about that thing better than me. Sweet. So device extensions. Hopefully I'm using it somewhere. Okay, I'm using it here. So we then choose which physical device to use. First we enumerate all the available physical devices, um, then apply the filter to narrow down to those that can support our needs. Yeah, I do have needs, right? People have needs, right? That hits the mark, baby. Yeah, I should be done for today if I try to go any bit deeper. This seems to be little bit more than I expected. So if I start to explore this part, I uh, episode 2 ends here. Hopefully you guys are having fun too, those who are watching in YouTube. Twitch, I don't think so. And yeah, hope so that we guys are having fun together, not just me. Even I am not, like, for some, if I had 10 to 20 active people it's helping me out, that would be more fun. But chill, as of now, like, I feel I don't think I'm stuck somewhere. So let's try to carry this thing out in the next stream. Peace out till then. Yes.